Hi everybody and welcome to this video. This is uh, volume number 2 of my English Substance Designer course. In this volume I want to make a cracked ground material in Substance Designer. As you can see here, I have one reference in my reference board that I put it in a project file and you can get it from my store with all process of tutorial of making this material. Okay, for the first I need a empty substance graph. You can add your select your name here, graph name, crack ground, and I work in volume number 2. Okay, it's good. For the start of the process, I press the space to see this list and type base, and then insert the base material, then right click on the node and create an output node, and then press no. As you can see here, the output nodes are created, and I then by right click and choose view outputs in 3D view, you can see the output node here in 3D and 2D views. Okay, it's good. And then I must change the height and ambient occlusion and normal value to the true in user defined maps part in base material node. Okay, again press on space, and this time I need an invert grayscale node here, plug into the height of my base material and connected to a normal node and connected to an ambient occlusion node, and then by click and press your left click on mouse and press the alt key on your keyboard, you can make a dot on your graph and then plug into the ambient occlusion. Same thing for normal node. Okay, it's good. It's good. I can change my normal format here, OpenGL or DirectX. I don't want to change DirectX. Just I want to make more intensity in normal nodes, and let me change height depth in ambient occlusion and change. No, I don't want to change reduce. Just change the quality in 16 samples. Okay, it's good. And let me save my graph, the SPS file. Okay, it's good. Okay, for make this material that crack ground material in Substance Designer, I need for the start I need a cell number 2. Okay, it's good. Change the scale as you want and change the edge width from here. It's okay. Oh, let me change the metallic to 0 value. Okay, it's good for now. But I need to make it some warpy, so I want to use directional warp and add a grunge. Number 2 is okay. Decrease the contrast value and add a HQ change the intensity and plug into the intensity input of your directional warp. As you can see, it's better and it's make little warpy. Okay, it's good. Let me add another directional warp again, and this time insert a branch number 3 and change random seed and decrease the contrast value and HQ and plug into the intensity input of directional warp. Change the intensity of HQ and but this time change the directional. Let me see. It's good. It's good, but I want to change the scale of cells node. Okay, it's good. I can change the intensity of warp here and change here. Yes, it's good. Yeah, it's good for now. Okay, and for the next, I must add a HQ here on higher quality value and 0.2 for the intensity. It's good, and let me plug into my invert grayscale, and don't forget to change invert the grayscale value to the false to see the right things. Okay, and let me change some option here. Check the tessellation and change the scale and the higher value for tessellation factor. Okay, it's good for me. I feel the edges are not good, so let me change the intensity value of blurs of my HQ blurs and change the warp again. It's better than before. Okay, yeah, it's better. Okay, it's good for now. And connect this node to a non-uniform blur grayscale with itself to get this with the higher value of sample and blades. Yes, it's good, and get it from output of this node, plug into the levels node and get something like this. Yeah, it's good. Yeah, it's good. Let me okay, and I need a band here. By choose a connection, select a connection, and press a space. You can make a node between of two nodes. Okay, it's good, but subtraction. As you can see in reference, the outlines of the border of lines of each pieces is upper than the center of each piece. Okay, so I want to make this in my graph that I used a non-uniform blur grayscale to make this purpose. Okay, it's good. Yeah, it's very good. It's feel a dry cracked ground. Okay, it's very good for now. Yes, it's good. Let me add a flat fill to the pattern. Yes, I need a flat fill and a flat fill to random gray scale and bend it here. Yes, it's good. Uh, Select the multiply and blending mode and change the opacity. Change the opacity to get better. To get better result. It's okay or no. Okay, it's good. Yeah. Let me decrease the warp value. Okay, it's good. And change the edge width in cells node. It's good for now. It's good. Yes. Okay. Now we need little cracks on each of pieces that cracked before. Okay, for these for the first level, I want to make a little crack by uh, cells number 3. I think it's maybe good for me. Change the hardness, change disorder and random seed, and you can change the scales of cracks. Okay, for get better result, you must use directional warp and use this map one time and change the intensity to get better result. Okay, and again directional warp with another warp angle and another. Okay, and change the warp of intensity of warp directional a little warpy. Okay, it's good. I need a mask from this flat fill, so I need a distance node and this map from here to get this. By X on keyboard, you can change between two connections. Okay, it's good. I need this map like this. It's good. And HQ, it's good. And again, I need the warp. And let me warp by this. No, it's not good. Let me use the directional warp. Yes, it's better. It's good. It's good now. Yeah, it's good. Add, and again, I need a bend. Let me let me see what's happened here. I want to add a bend after these HQ blur. Okay, because I don't want the blurry effect of this node affected on my little crack. So I add this bend after this node. Okay, multiply and change the multiply. Okay, it's good, but I need a mask. I need a mask to get the randomly result. Okay, so I bend this, and from this is better, and this by multiply on blending mode. It's good, and plug into the intensity. This is the helper mask to make better results. Let me test by these. Yes, it's good. It's good. I can blend it again by a Perlin noise map with subtraction. Get these results. Let me see what's happened. Not bad. It's not bad, but I want to plug in with this. No, it's not good. Let me check with this. Yes, it's better. Yeah, it's better. Yeah, it's better. Okay, it's good. Let me change the scales of cracks. I need bigger cracks on the edge pieces. Okay, it's good. And I need a slip blur gray scale by cloud number 2. Higher value for samples, and change the intensity on min mode. Okay, it's good, and by hold shift on your keyboard and drag and drop, you can change the final output connection to another node. Okay, it's good. Yes, it's good. Yes, it's good. Let me see by this. It's not bad. No. No, it's good. Let me change the opacity of the little cracks. Okay, so I want to export this texture. Export these textures to your destination folder and press on export output, and then I want to open the marmoset. It is a rounded cylinder that exported from the results of Substance Designer and imported in Marmoset easily. And then I want to create a new material here, cracked, cracked ground. Okay, volume number 2. Okay, so I want I must choose the normal map, albedo, and roughness. We don't have albedo, roughness, metalness for now, but I add these textures and add ambient occlusion and displacement. I need a height channel, and then click and drag and drop your material to your 3D model. So if you don't forget about DirectX normal. If you use DirectX normal, you must check the Philip Y here to see the material correctly. Okay, it's good. Let me change texture tiling. Yes, it's very good. Change the scales of materials. Yeah, it's very good. Let me change the albedo for now. It's very good, but I don't see my little cracks, so I must change the opacity. Let me back in designer. Yeah, it's good for normal 5. It's good. Let me change the opacity of cracks and re-export again texture and see the result, what's happened on my material. You see the updated recently exported textures. Just bit drag the scale to see updated result of exported textures. Okay, it's good, but it can be better. Let me use the opposite of mask. It means I want to see cracks the outline of each pieces instead the center of each piece. Okay, so I must use inverted of this map. Okay, and plug into this, but this map it's not good because these lines, and I must bend it again by my pattern from here. Let me delete this bend and check it on multiply. It's good. Yeah, and plug into opacity. As you can see here, the cracks are make it to the outline of the each pieces, to border of each pieces. Okay, it's better than before. I think so. It's better, but I must change the opacity. Okay, it's good. It's good. Let me see result without any warp, and no, it's not good. I need a little warp. I need little warp. I need little warp like number 5. It's good. Yeah, it's good. Yes, it's good. It's good. It's good. Okay, and change the Tesla blur here. Let me test on blur. It's no, it's the min is better. Let me see the max. No, max, the min is better than each other. Okay, it's good. Okay, it's good. And this time I need a flat fill from this cells node, and again flat fill to random grayscale, and again I need let me blend it by this and see what's happened. The results on multiply and change the opacity and see it's here, and here you can see I want to see something like this, okay, so I need more opacity. Need more opacity. Let me no, subtract is not good. I need multiply. Let me re-export the texture and see results. Okay, it's good for now. It's good for now. Okay, it's good. Let me back into Substance Designer. It's good. And I think it's enough for this part. And I will add some cracks, some bigger cracks than this crack. In the next part, so I think it's enough for this part, and see you in next part.